Everybody, welcome to Wednesday, October 7th. Today is an asynchronous day, and you'll be working out of the space science textbooks like you've been doing the past couple Wednesdays. Today's theme is dealing with the solar system, and that'll be our topic for the next 3 class periods. So I did put the agenda on here for you to review over. And if you notice today's agenda, there are 2 assignments on here. Okay. The first assignment, the solar system reading guide assignment. That is basically the same assignment that you've been working on in the past, where you fill out a Google form based on the textbook. So you're going to use pages 88 to 112 in your space science textbook to kind of match up different facts about each of the planets that are found in the book. Again, the textbook is your best resource for completing this Google form. So if you notice, there is a second item on the agenda, and that is the Planetary Information Organizer. Now, this is in a Google Sheet, very similar to what we did with that radiation simulator with the sunlight and which color jacket. Some of you did this, not everybody did that. But basically, we're going to be entering data into a Google Sheet. So this is pretty simple to do, all right? It's not that complicated. This is, as you see on here, going to be extra credit if you complete both of these today. You will have to complete this planetary organizer in the future anyway. So I figured I would throw it out there for you today if you have the time just to kind of get the data out and into the spreadsheet while you have the book out. It'll save you a little time later in the week. So if you look at the planetary organizer little assignment under the classwork, you click on that Google Sheet, you're going to open that up, and you'll notice that it is just basically a data table. And these data that you're going to enter into this form are found just in your textbook under each planet. So you should notice those charts when you're doing the first assignment today on the Google form. So all you have to do is enter in the numbers. All right. You do not have to add units after the numbers. I put the units up here in the top. So we're just going to enter raw data into these cells. It's important that you do that, especially for the first one where it says distance from the sun. We're measuring these in the book in astronomical units. 1 astronomical unit is basically the distance from Earth to the sun. So you'll notice in the book, it'll just say 1, and you're just going to put that in there. I have this automatically set up to calculate and change astronomical units into kilometers. So you don't have to do anything for this. That's why there's zeros in there. They're just waiting for a number to get placed in this cell. The rest of these you're going to enter in data and just fill in the numbers. And this will give us something to refer to when we're going through the notes and talking about the planets on Thursday and Friday. All right, so getting this finished will definitely give you a little bit of less work to do on Thursday and Friday. They are a little bit loaded. The class periods are going to be a little bit loaded Thursday and Friday because there's a lot of information to get through with the planets. So there is an inner planet sheet here. That's Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. And then if you click on this little tab down at the bottom, it says outer planets. So if you click on that tab, that switches it to the outer planet sheet with Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So same thing. You're going to type in all that data. And for the outer planets, there's one less cell because the book only gives you average surface temperatures, because technically there's really not a surface on these big gas giants out in the outer solar system. So the outer planets data goes here, inner planets goes here. Notice they have a low and a high except for Venus. That has an average as well. So once you're finished with all that, you can submit that. I'll give you the extra points for the day. And that kind of wraps up Wednesday, October 7th. So if you have any questions, send me an email. If not, then hopefully have a great day and enjoy whatever you're doing after school tomorrow. And I'll see you Thursday or Friday. Bye.